What's up, guys? Today is Monday, 7th July 2025. Time is 2:19 UK time. I don't have long until market opens, so I'm just going to quickly analyze market daily. Straight away, I see this fair value gap. I want price to come back into. That's daily. Actually, first of all, reset. Let me mark out 2:30 till 5. That's the time range I trade. I don't see anything tradable between here to here. I wouldn't enter. I wouldn't trade for the day. All right, back to the 4 hour. We have what I believe is 4 hour order block. All right, here. Left this 4 hour FEG at the same time, making it a high probability for it to come back into. So we could possibly trade down into it or trade back up because price did sweep that high. 1 hour. What do I see on the 1 hour? I see a sweep of this high. There's this, all these highs that I would want price to come take. For now, I'm just going to keep marking them all out until price does come sweep one of them. Price did disrespect this FEG. How about this one? Disrespected that one as well. I mean, I could catch the sells back down as price swept this hourly high. Drop to the 15-minute. See what price is doing. This was midnight. Don't know if it was news midnight. For now, price looks bearish. Question is, do I want to trade it down to this level? Whose price just gonna push up, respecting this 15-minute fair value gap? I mean, I won't trade it until we get a sweep of whichever side high, and then from there I'll be dropping down to the 5-minute, looking for an order block, respecting an order block, FEG, a clean break of structure, and possibly equilibrium as well of the range. Price is in equilibrium at the moment, which you can see that our this is respecting this equilibrium zone. Even check here with this one. Price is at discount right now. But this just looks too clean for price not to want to come take. That's in my opinion, anyway. Got to analyze S&P. Have this daily FEG as well. Price could come tap into. Drop to 1 minute real quick. To 30 and 5. There we go. minute, wait, 1 hour. Here's that. Let me check the 4 hour. 4 hour looks bullish. It's pushed up a lot. This could be respecting this FEG. This is a daily FEG within a 4 hour order block, I believe. I mean, I think. Don't quote me on that. Price opens in another 5 minutes. So, now, actually, let's drop to the 1 hour. Got that low. And then got these lows. These, that got taken, so that high. And overextend that high right there. Got these lows here as well. Alright. Oh, forgot to check sessions. Price took Asia high, London high, left behind. Took Asia low, but left behind London low and New York AM low from Friday. I mean, on Friday I was targeting all of these lows, so today might bring us the entry for that. And its price already wants to push away from here. Ideally, all of these. Price took all of this liquidity in here, left these two hourly highs. The lows I'm targeting. Maybe into this FVG down here. Ideally, I'm looking for sells today because there's just too much resting liquidity below for price not want to take it. Mark this all red. No, all of these blue now. Market still hasn't opened. These are the daily moves. Ideally, want price to come higher. Take this, and then we look for our little sells. Change that red, red, and red. Another hourly high right there. Yeah, ideally price should want to make its little return back down. We class that as an order block. Question. I mean, this candle could be classed as an order block in some sense. And I'll mark it out using that, make it black, and then I'll just write order block on it. Daily. Add a question mark to it. Drop back down to the 1 hour. Mark it as opened. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, from now on I'll be trading straight off TradingView, just so that I can start getting used to how everything is. So when I do get funded, it's not me getting used to something new. We've got a nice bullish open. I just can't take this higher for me. If you take that higher, I'll consider entering. Or we will just see price drop back down. Price has broken structure to the downside. I think that is respecting this fair value gap for the moment on the 15-minute. Anything on the hourly? Nope. Minute, we're still inside this massive fair value gap and these ones. So just not going to be too quick to decide. Price absolutely wicked out of there. At the same time, still another 12 minutes until this candle closes. You can't really say, oh, it's wicked out, let me enter. S&P, same thing. Came to this 15. And I respected it and dropped. And the exact same predicament right now. Prices, I mean, respecting this whole FEG. This could be considered a order block right here, which price hasn't tapped back into. All about patience. If I was to catch a sell, I'll be looking to target these lows, including this daily order block, the questionable one. But it's low. At the same time, I might as well just wait for price to come lower if I want to look for buys, because it's just too high for me to consider. Not too low, to consider to enter, as I want the price to sweep highs. But price did sweep all this internal hourly highs, which technically is how I trade. But anything's possible. In a minute. So about 10 minutes until this candle closes. I'm not going to force anything today, as it is Monday. Usually Monday doesn't really give the best of setups. And also there's no news today, making it possibly a slow day. Took the London low. Everything's taken. That's another session low there. Right. And now I can turn that off. Clean it up a bit. Well, it's a S&P then. S&P hasn't taken London low yet. Does that count as an SMT divergence? I don't know. Just don't use this. That there. I don't know if that counts as an SMT. I'm still learning about it. I haven't really read a lot into it to the point where it's counted as an order block. I don't know again. I mean, I do, but just spotting it. I know what it is, but actually implementing it is different. Has to just sweep all of these lows. Could be bullish. There's also these on the hour. I swept all of this. I mean, that was what you got swept. I swept this one. And we're inside this bullish FVG. So I could look for possible buys. Let me see something. I'm going to see a sweep of liquidity. What is that? 5 minute. See what the 5 minutes telling us. Price swept. Closed above. Expecting this 5 minute FVG. Creating a possible. No, that can't be a regular structure. This price is way too high. Inverse this straight away. I could be looking for possible buys of this, but I have to wait for the 5 minute to give me something tradable. I mean, this wick is just way too high. I'm gonna have to create another low high, like inside here. I need to look for buys. If I miss it, I miss it. Same with S&P. I soaked all of this cleanly. I mean, this low cleanly with a beautiful wick rejection. I mean, for now, still got 5 minutes until it kind of closes. It could close all the way until down there. Who knows? It's from a 1 hour. technically still within this bullish FEG. I mean, this whole thing is basically a higher time frame FEG. So if you got that 4 hour, what did I say, FEG, inside this 4 hour FEG, price technically, right, 1 hour, inside this FEG at the moment as well. Yeah, should be looking for a type of buy. S&P is respecting around the 5 minute. Price low-key did disrespect this 5 minute FEG. 15 minutes, still respecting it. Let me see something clean happen, man. Back to that FEG. I think this is an order block as well, which price did tap into low key. Could be another take profit if I was to enter. What to do? 50% of this. Breaker structure? No, I don't think so. Still not strong enough for me to look for an enter. Honestly, I want it to leave like a FEG order block, something like that, where I could mark out, and then on the 1 minute I can look inside that the 5 minute FEG order block. Like I'm trading inside that range on the 1 minute and look for an entry there. Right, so I've come to this value gap. Here's still already 2:42. We have a couple more hours of trading to consider looking for an entry. (15-minute) price closer like this. I mean, I'll be more strong on buys. I mean, overall price is bullish. Well, the reason I was looking at sells is for that retracement back down. Inside this 4 hour FEG, price should want to continue. Yeah, I thought price was too overextended up to even consider buying by this point. Price closes like this. I have no choice but to look for buys because it's swept. Bullish close, but very strong wick out. 5 minute. Just gotta be patient. It's gonna leave something behind for me. Price will probably come take that when it does. Maybe that 15-minute close. Okay, that's a very bullish close. Closed above me on the last candle. But on the hourly, price could still come and absolutely dump because high time frames do hold more power. Probably it's just a wick out. Because right now it does look bullish, but if it does a wick out like this, then yeah, clean. Still not gonna force a trade. Don't see much of an entry. Price hasn't really broken structure on the 1 minute either. And still bearish momentum at the moment. 1 minute. Looks like we're wicking out. S&P still hasn't swept the low. Like, I think that is considered an S&T because this swept the low. Like this swept the low, but this didn't sweep the low, so it's a bullish S&T, I think. Yeah, it's a bullish S&T. Meaning, I should be looking for buys, right? 5 minute, still nothing. Just gotta be patient. Price will deliver. People could look at this and still say there is bearish momentum. So I'm going to call this whole move down of this FEG stops there. Call the move down all the way down to this low. That's not during my trading time. Yeah, so we ain't got me in that trade. There's all this telling me S&P don't want to come take all of this. I mean, that's the thing. Oh, I might close bullish again, but still nothing on the 5 minutes. Too choppy. Could have this inverse fair value gap. The price already inversed that one once. That was another one. And I'm not really seeing an entry because if you're going to consider this whole thing an order block, then that's too big of a range. Hourly. That's swept. That's a clean sweep and a push up, making me more bullish. Could even hold it until like these highs. 10 minute. Still nothing. I could be right with my bias, but have no entry, and that's fine. Let's see. Wrong position there. Stops. Oh yeah, I would have got stopped out, wouldn't I have? Yeah. 10 minute. A break on that count as a break of structure, because this counts as a break of structure. And on the 1 minute, inverse this FEG. Alright, there. Until this inverse. And long position. Long it from here. Stops there. Another 5 minutes in. 5 minute. Still not really giving an entry. Taking all the highs. Again, I don't see an entry. No entry. I'm not gonna force it. Prices taking all the highs. This would have been TP1. Yeah, for about a 1-to-1 TP1, TP2 1 to 1.5. These two, I would have taken out 30% each. Here 20%, 20%, all of the rest. So I would have made money along the whole way. A minute. High, high, low, high, 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 low, high, 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 low. Hopefully. Man, that is the plan. Price hasn't really swept yet. There it is that. Price invest any FPGs in the high time frame. 6 minutes still left until this one closes. Came back, create equal highs. That definitely will be my first target. 5 minute. Price left from the 5 minute. Absolutely nothing still. Just too much. It's too much extended wicks. I mean, it is good for buys, but no entry. I'm still early in this, so I'm still going to wait until 5 minute delivers something for me to enter off. Could look at that at the 1 minute. Price did break structure on the 1 minute, I believe. That entered off there. Stops all the way down here, but that's just too much of a entry. Yeah, that risk reward is terrible. To even consider entering off that. Price does need to inverse the IFVG. If it inverses it, oh, 1 minute. Price sweep that high. No, just create equal highs. Come back down into this. It's just the order block. This right here could be an order block. Maybe black. I think could be an order block. I mean, it's the last down candle before the sweep and then the push. Minute. All prices are tracing into on the 5 minute, 15 minute, nothing 30 minute. Inside this massive FEG still. 1 minute. Could have been right. I mean, that is a FEG, no, order block. This is TP1, 100%, 4.1 to 1.5. Are we considering this a break or structure in the 5 minute? I think so, I don't know. Still respect to this FEG, but past it, and to this FEG. 15 minute, respect to that FEG, bearish ones as well. What's Nas doing? No, US 500 or S&P 500. Making, respecting this FEG at the moment. FEG. Respecting that one. Yeah. I'll wait until it comes back down into here and have a breaker structure and then I top the breaker structure, allowing me to feel more confident in the trade. I consider this candle order block. One minute. The price came back into this order block and then pushed. Price came back into this FPG and pushed. But don't know if it came back into my POI, this inverse FPG, for an entry. Till then, we're gonna wait. Now, still 1 minute until this 1 hour candle closes. Closes like this, that's a clean. And then we'll wait for price, because price most likely will come wick into here, this area, and then push higher. And yeah, this entry is in equilibrium, so we could 15 minute, 5 minute. Price is looking very nice. But I just don't like the amount of wicks there is. I could look for an entry. It's a clean curve back up. I mean, ideally, there's just too many wicks. So I'm gonna have to stick here, wait for a break of structure on the 1 minute for me to look for my entry. This obviously will be my TP1. Let me see if I can find any other highs for my second TP. 15-minute. Got this FPG. Yeah, that will still be my TP1. 30 minutes. 1 hour. Oh, price tapped in. There's S&P. S&P still expecting that. What price wants to do here? I'm that ready. There's this inverse FPG and normal FPG. Price tapped into both, but still hasn't created my breaker structure for me to enter off of. Price could even come down and sweep these lows. This one as well, especially as it's still inside the order block. But patience pays. See that? If I had entered, I would have been straight into drawdown. Probably even stopped out because I would have put my stops around this low. This inverse FPG here. This could tap into S&P. Price is absolutely thumping. Get rid of that. Make it look a bit cleaner. 5-minute. Price could be targeting this low. Mark it out. And we're still inside this 5-minute FPG, which technically did get disrespected. 15-minute though. Price hasn't disrespected the 15-minute one. Mark it properly. 15-minute respected. 5-minute. 5-minute just looks absolutely useless to me. Oh, price up that one. Price up this low as well. See, that's why it's good not to jump in straight away. Price could come attack these lows now. Price has come too close not to take that low. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Good thing I didn't just jump in headlessly or clueless. Now that I have actual reasoning behind my entries, just makes it more logical and easier. Yeah, price gonna probably dump from here. Right, so 15-minute. Did it disrespect the 15? No. Still respecting the 15-minute. That can go though. 5-minute. I still don't know what the 5-minute wants from me. Beautiful sweep inside this 15-minute FAG down here. An order block, I believe, considering this move down the order block. Order block. 15-minute FAG. 5-minute. Nothing. 1 minute. Hang on. It's an order block, yes. Did they go past order block? Hell yes. But this 15-minute FPG is still holding itself. I still could dump, so not much. Price is just too choppy today. I don't really see. Oh, it's only 3 o'clock. Only an hour in. It's probably gonna be a long video for the trade recap at least. Short form content. I mean, if you do get a trade, always gonna be quick. I mean, quicker than over this is. Could this be a bullish move? Price create equal highs, which I have to target. That's going to be 100% my TP1 if I catch a buy eventually. Price still looks. Don't speak too soon. It's come way too low to this. This low, it's come too low to this for it not wanted to take it. And on the 1 minute, it's just a wick. Even like the 30-second or something, it's a candle. I don't know. 5 minute has to create something for me to be able to be like, yeah, let's drop to the 1 minute. S&P might create it. Invest this maybe. No clue. Again, it's just wicks after wicks after wicks. It's not creating nothing for me. The only thing I'm seeing on the 1 minute, but other than that, I'm not gonna just jump into it because obviously high time frame holds more power. This is gonna be a clean buy inside high time frame. This is like an hourly FVG, or even a daily 4-hour max maybe. All this liquidity got swept inside the FVG, and there's all these highs that need to be taken. But just give me an entry. Oh my days. Price is absolutely choppy today. I'm actually on the 1 minute. I'm like the 5 minute. I'm waiting for price to create something useful. Oh, is that a bullish SMT I see? One SMT. Is that another bullish SMT? I have no idea, but guess what I'm gonna do? Mark that shit out. SMT. Okay. I mean, for now, I think. I mean, this is looking cleaner to me than S&P. Sweat that. Mark that out. That's definitely a target right there. TP1, maybe not. I can probably look for TP1 inside this FVG maybe. In a minute. Price is just wicky. Just too much wick. Give me candle. Candle, please. Give me candle. Yeah, I'm just gonna sit on this 5 minute. wait for price to do something. Watch these markets for me. I'll be back in a second. Alright, I'm back. See if price has done anything. Nope, still in the same place. The reason it's good to stay patient when price swept liquidity on the 1 minute, closed above it. That still hasn't given me much. 5 minute on here, still hasn't given me anything. 1 minute. I'm considering it. Oh no, that's impulsive entries. That's not what we do around here. Stick to the plan. Maybe today I'm just wrong. And price is just going to keep continuing to the downside. Which is alright, because guess what? Still got Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday to trade. And my price is running away. I'll keep my enter off this break of structure over here. Price comes and breaks that. Like a nice bullish close. I wouldn't mind entering of the next candle. Stops will be here. TP1 here for, actually no, that could be my TP1 here. Blue, that could be my TP1 for 1 to 1.5. Never mind. Never mind. See, patience is key. Going for being patient. I mean, it's just making more targets for me to hit, because this could be TP1 if price continues to the downside. Sweeps this and gives me an entry. Never mind. I mean, that is a bullish S&T, right? The one I marked up. This is a bullish S&T. I think so, because we didn't take this low and pushed higher. We took this low and pushed higher. If it was like this, it took that high and then pushed lower. On this, you could say it didn't take that high and push lower. So that's a bearish S&T. I need to do more revision. So 23.14, we're good. Back on the 5 minute. Uh, mm, 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 mm. Does that count as a disrespect of an order block? Because it's closed. 5 minute. 3 minute. This could have been an entry, right? This bearish FVG. If my bias was bearish, the price came back up into here. Still wouldn't have seen an entry on the 5 minute. Price is just way too choppy. 1 minute. Absolutely nothing still. Just created equal highs and then pushed away. Yeah, price is definitely gonna come take this low. This one here. I said it was too close for it not to want to come take it. Meaning this wouldn't be a bullish SMT anymore. Grab that. And get rid of that. Price definitely come attacking these lows right here. All of this, if you can click it, is getting taken out. Where's X? It's all gonna come get taken out. Oh, accident. Like an hour and something minutes in. But I wanna the price sweep. Price didn't sweep anything. Yeah, I low key. Actually, I'm gonna call it a day when I'm inside my trading session. I'm just leaving markets too early because price could literally make me my entry right now. That's what I need to stop doing. I need to stop rushing the entries, and then if I don't see my entry in like the first half an hour, it's okay, an hour technically, I'm already considering getting off markets. Maybe I should put a limit on it. First 2 hours maybe I'll trade the session. So from 2:30 to 4:30. I mean, at that point, I might as well just wait until the fight. Yeah, but like 4:30, I don't see something form or close to entry, close to creating an entry. Forget it. I'm not gonna look for an entry. Let's just came low, didn't sweep it. Same thing here. Just didn't sweep those lows. Created another bullish SMT right here. SMT. And bullish closeout. This didn't sweep it. Left behind. Look on the 5 minute. Still nothing on the bloody 5 minutes. I mean, if it comes takes this high, will that count as a break of structure? I want to close above that and then I'll drop to the 1 minute. That's the best I'm probably going to get today off. Or still going to be inside the FPG, so I don't want to say if it breaks that. I think NAS is probably my best option. Does that count as an order block? Nah, no. It's gonna be patient and wait. Either way, I'm still gonna upload this video. Entry, no entry, win, loss, break even. Y'all gonna see it all. Down. Alright. We're getting a nice, at least we're getting a nice push up. What's the 1 minute saying? Left behind this push FPG. Not always going to get tapped into. That's why I'll always enter. Not always. That's why I'll enter off a breaker structure. Breaker structure. Let's mark out just in case. 5 minute. There we go. This is the 15 one, isn't it? 15 minute, yeah. And 15 oh, I was typing on this. What order block is this? What's it? Yeah, it's a 1 minute order block, which did get disrespected. 5 minute, nothing 1 minute. And I swept the high. Still no candle close. 3 minutes left of that candle. 1 minute. Could be first target. Yeah. Nah, this will be my first target up here. Actually, could move. Target here. Target 1, 2. Give them a little space between them. Those are equal highs. 5 minute. Not delivering anything. Just sweat. Could be wrong. Could be a bearish day, but it's just not a losing day at the end of the day. Maybe I spoke too soon. Down, my charger might die. 45%. Wait a second, I'll try something. I've plugged this into here. Oh my days, I can charge my laptop whilst using the mic. Just had to plug it into. Oh no, don't know what I done. Made a noise. Oh, I'm about to get that breaker structure on the 5 minute. We'll come back to this charging once I'm in. Oh, never mind. Price is still playing around. Minute. Anything. There we go. Oh, let's look at the 15 minute. Minute left. Drum roll, please. Take your time, why not? I'm pushing. This counts as a breaker structure. I don't know, you tell me. 1 minute. Entry opportunities on this. Could mark this out. Let's come back into here, respects it. Oh, there we go. Beautiful candle close. 1 minute. Nothing. This leaves behind. If it leaves behind this FPG, then we're in the money. Let's mark it out. Min. It seems like it's gonna leave behind this bullish FPG as well, which I could look into from. This is a 15 min, and also the 15 min. Back to the 5 minute. Nice bullish closes. Could have entered off this break, but my entry is always going to be on the 1 minute. Wait for price. Oh, price left this beautiful FPG at the same time as this. Literally nothing much. If I enter off this, my stops are going to have to be all the way down here. That's already been taken, so 1 minute. Talk to me. What you got for me? Give me a little retracement back. Call it a nice day. 1 minute. That's a very big bullish close. I'll put my stops there. Let's see. Entry. Stops there. TP1. 1 to 1. Not bad, but not good. It's too risky. And there's this 5 minute fair value gap left behind right here. 1 minute. I mean, this could be the play that I was waiting for. We have to catch it on the S&P. This one closes in 2 minutes. Let's see where this candle closes. Damn. There's less respect in that 5 minute FPG. This bearish one here, we'll talk about. See, that's why I didn't want to enter. The price hasn't respected anything. Today's not really a good day trading. Was not delivering anything. Still 1 minute 16. Still this is an FPG, regardless. Disrespected it and got rid of it. Because that price is gonna, yep, this is no longer, I mean technically it is, but no longer now. Honestly can't trade like this. What the hell is price doing? Maybe it's respecting these. Maybe it is a bearish day. That's not a break. It's not. If I don't have anything by, say, I don't know if I want to say 4 or 3:40, I might just call it a day. because then I might end up forcing something that's clearly not working or happening. Technically, that is which candle's one that swept it? 315. 315 price was already pumping at 315, making a bullish S&T now. Maybe I'm wrong, or maybe I'm right. Who knows? We're making our way back into this 1 minute. 1 minute. Make our way back into this order block on the 5 minute. Nope, we don't order block on this. I mean, technically, this is the whole down move. But if you want to be precise with it, we could just say these two candles. Change that to order block. And then came into order block, respected it. Came into that 1 minute FEG. We're respecting it? I think so. Create me a break or structural sign. I wouldn't mind a cheeky little entry. And this could be my TB1 right there. I mean, there's a 1 minute FEG here as well, which prices respecting for now. Haven't had a close. Never mind. I mean, generally, you don't have a close inside it. 5 minute, nothing. This on the 5 minute hasn't given me anything. 15 minute, nothing again. TB1. Still nothing. Not really interested. Still inside this order block essentially. They did get disrespected, so we can get rid of that. And on the high time frame, did it? 5 minute, 15 minute, yep. Get rid of that. Let's consider an order block. Yeah, that would be trading today. Look what price is done. Price is literally up, down, up, down, up, down. It's straight consolidation. Absolutely nothing else. I mean, all of this. When was this during London and Asia session? Oh my days, this was pre-New York. Pre-New York had more movement. Pre-New York had more movement than New York Open itself. Oh, damn. I don't know what's happening here. Get rid of that. Price most likely will disrespect this. And when it does, I'm probably going to be off the markets. yeah, I'm gonna call it a day. Anything from now on, it's gonna be me trying to force a trade, which clearly isn't what's happening. Let's take a picture of this, copy image. Alright, I'm gonna go right out my, wait a sec. Nah, I'm off. I'm gonna go write up my trading journal, which you're gonna see in another, literally in a second. I'm gonna go write it up. This no trade, no profit, no loss today, and as we speak, price low key pushing up, but I doubt price is gonna do anything. Swept. There's another SMT. Nope, I'm done for. Oh, so price is actually playing with me right now. 5 minute. What we got going on the 5 minute? Nothing. 1 minute. We got this bullish move. Inverse. This might be the move. Let's see if it breaks structure there. Let's see if it. Yeah. Goodbye. Let's see where this candle closes first. Yeah, done trading. Done trading for today. I'm gonna go update my trading journal. Yeah, what did I say? No loss, no win, no trade. Happy, dude. Didn't jump in due to FOMO, and yeah, all right. All right, I'm done with my trade recap. Time is 4:07. Still the same day, Monday, 7th July. All right. So it was NQ and ES. NQ is NAS 100 and ES is S&P 500. I'll write it that way. It's easier, it's shorter, and it's basically just the same thing. Okay, bias was bullish. Confluences that we had was liquidity sweep, order block, fair value gap, and SMT. The other ones I could have added was clean candle structure, didn't have that. Multiple time frame backing. I mean, we kind of had that, but we didn't at the same time. Breaker structure, we didn't get that the whole session. I mean, a clean one at least. And the rest is order block FPG, IFPG, and this SMT. Date 7th July. Outcome no entry, nothing made. The risk to reward was 1 2, nothing basically. Session new okay, setup grade. I added NA because we didn't really get a session. No, we didn't get a setup, so it's NA. Let's get into the how market looks. This was 2:30 and that line's 5 o'clock. Didn't get nothing. Price was just absolutely just choppy. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Nothing to trade off of. Psychology slash trade day recap, 8 out of 10 in my opinion. Reflection, today was one of those days where price action was just choppy, plain and simple. But instead of forcing something, I stuck to the system, and that's already a win for me. The new strategy refinement I've made, I can feel a shift, even though it's just one day. I'm already seeing how much more systematic I've become and no longer reacting to the first FEG, liquidity sweep, or even market structure shift that pops up. Instead, I'm stepping through the structure, time frame. So during the video, you would have seen that I went from the daily, but during actual trading times, I was on the 15, 1 hour, 5 minute looking for a more to confluence for me to then drop down to a smaller time frame. See another confluence, drop down to another time frame until I end up reaching the 1 minute where the 5 minute just didn't show me nothing throughout the whole time. So it wasn't really a good trading day. Letting the 1 hour build up bias, watching the 15 minute, 5 minute, leaving their footprints and only then looking for 1 minute to execute, which we didn't get. That didn't happen today. No full alignment, so I didn't trade. Simple, clean discipline, and honestly, that's growth. What helped me stay disciplined during today was remembering there's still 4 days left of this week, and trading today is not a big deal because there's still a lot of other days to trade off. Knowing that starting Monday in drawdown would just spiral. I mean, psychology, if you're in drawdown straight away, it's not good. You're going to be trying to get your money back from the markets for the rest of the days. Reflecting on last Thursday's unnecessary loss, that one really hit me. Understanding that trading from boredom or hope is 100% sabotage. Asking myself, will I regret this entry 10 minutes after taking it? The answer was yes, even though I didn't say it out loud. Thursday loss was my turning point. That loss, even though it was demo money, it generally hit me. I was disappointed in myself because deep down, I already knew what I did wrong before it even played out, before it hit my stop loss. What hurt wasn't the red number. It was the fact that I let myself down again by doing the exact thing that I promised I wouldn't, jumping into a weak setup, trading for fun, calling it learning after the fact. That moment opened my eyes, not in a motivational bounce back way, but in cold, honest way. If I keep trading like this, I'm never going to reach my goal. So I built the plan, I refined the strategy, I back tested it on Friday and Saturday. I committed the rest of the Thursday through Sunday night to preparing properly. I think I did. I posted I think on Saturday after work, my back test, and then on Sunday I wasn't able to uh back test. Mm, I finished work late. I was tired, but I did. I I think I did back test, but not. It wasn't for long. But I didn't touch the account that we were on. If you come here, you can still see we're still seeing the same amount of trades. I didn't trade off this one. I traded off a different one because I knew I wasn't gonna record. I wasn't recording it, but that went good. I think I was on like a 67% win rate on it, but this one was still 100% win rate. And then final thoughts. Today might have not given me a trade, but gave me something more important, self-control, and that's what will compound over time, not just profit. Great start to the week. Let's keep stacking good decisions. Any questions for me? Leave in the comments. I don't know what else to say. I mean, thank you for watching. Oh yeah, as we're being transparent. Oh, wrong thing. I did mark this out. I didn't enter it though. Price came, broke the 1 minute structure. I marked it out the where I would have entered if I did stops below this low. Price absolutely just dumped on my. The reason I done that is because price created this bullish S&T at the time. Whilst it swept liquidity here, it was breaking structure here. Other than that, thank you for watching. Any questions, leave in the comments below, and I'll be sure to answer them. For now, I'm probably gonna go more back testing, but I'm gonna take a mental break, like let's say half an hour of no trading, and then I'll come back test with a clean, fresh mind. Till then, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for watching.